everyone, this is Carlos again. In this video, I will show you our production process of LED street light. Attach a production flow chart to give you a general idea of the process. Okay, let's go to the site now. We are a dust-free and static-free factory, so before entering the production line, we should wear the anti-static clothing and through the automatic voice air shower. After SMT, we come to welding area. This area including manual welding and machine welding. All these PCB are 0.5 meter and waiting for welding. Generally, for small order, we make it manually. Otherwise, it will be done by machine. After soldering, we clean the PCB and fix the heat shrink tube to protect the soldering pad. Okay, so much for the PCB welding. Let's go for next step. See you.